We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making delicious home-baked chicken, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I have cut up a whole chicken, and this is how we're going to season our chicken. We're going to use some seasoned salt, or you can use regular salt. Make sure you season it well. What I usually do, just lightly season it on top. Since this is a lot of chicken, try to season your chicken well. Next, we are sprinkling on some garlic powder. Make sure you well season it with the garlic powder. Besides the salt, I usually use quite a bit of the other seasoning because I want my chicken to taste good and it's well seasoned. But always season it to your liking. Next, we are sprinkling on some black pepper. Next, our onion powder. Next, we're sprinkling on some cayenne pepper. I'm using a little cayenne pepper just to spice it up just a little bit. With this amount that I'm using, it still wasn't really hot, but it just gave it a little hint of spiciness. But if you don't want to use this, omit this step. Lastly, I'm sprinkling on some paprika. I hope I'm pronouncing that word right. Just sprinkle a little bit on there. So now it's time to mix in our seasoning. Make sure you mix all these seasonings in well, because we want every piece of our chicken to be well seasoned. So this is a great part in our baked chicken. You must mix your seasoning into all your chicken. I don't know if you can see it or not. I even add the neck of the chicken. As a child, this was one of my favorite parts of the chicken. I loved my chicken necks either baked or fried. Anyone else remember those chicken necks? I remember the chicken necks. They had the gizzards in there, the liver. They had all of that inside a chicken. And so I was surprised that this chicken had it in it. And I was so happy to see it. Here I'm adding just a little bit more paprika. I love the color and the taste. We're going to mix this in one last time, and then we're going to go on to our next step. Again, make sure your seasonings are all mixed in well, because this plays a great part in your baked chicken. Next, we're placing our chicken on our well-greased cooking pan. What you do, I didn't show you, but you can spray either olive oil or canola oil onto your baking sheet so that your chicken won't stick to your pan. Here's one of my favorite parts, that chicken neck. Now we're going to place our chicken in a preheated 375 degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Afterwards, if you want to add barbecue sauce to it or teriyaki sauce to it or what your favorite sweet and sour sauce to it, you can. If you decide to use sauce, bake for another 10 minutes and then you're good to go. Okay, we're going to be right back as soon as our chicken finished baking. Okay, y'all, we are back. Our chicken has finished baking. This is the way I like mine. I don't like it extra crispy. If you want yours extra crispy, turn your heat up to like 400 degrees and yours should be crispy. But this is the way I like mine. So make this recipe yours. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And what would you serve with your baked chicken? I forgot to ask you that. Can you please comment and tell me what would you serve with your baked chicken? Okay, y'all. Happy Sunday to y'all. As always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. This is something I would like for someone to do. Call a family member or a friend and surprise them with a phone call. You never know when someone needs, to hear from you, and that will make their day. Okay? Y'all do that for me, please.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!